Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're dipping into the most common interior design mistakes that could be holding your space back. Think you might be making one of these errors? Stick around to find out and learn how to fix them like a pro. Painting mistakes can significantly impact the ambience and mood of a room, leading to a space that feels either overwhelming or dull. To fix this, test paint samples in your room and choose neutral or muted hues for large surfaces to create a timeless base. You could also consider how the color changes with different lighting throughout the day. Not balancing the layout. A poor layout disrupts visual flow and foot traffic, making the space feel chaotic. To avoid this, plan and measure your space using tools like 3D design apps to create a balanced and harmonious arrangement. Focus on creating a central focal point and ensuring symmetrical weight distribution in your decor. Not adding variety. Overly matching decor can be monotonous, making the room feel flat and uninspired. Mix textures, materials, and shades within the same color family to create a cohesive yet dynamic look. Incorporate contrasting elements like wood, metal, and fabric to add depth and interest. Rugs that are too small make a room feel awkward and incomplete. Choose larger rugs that fit the room's layout and furniture, ensuring they anchor the space effectively. A correctly sized rug can also help delineate different areas in an open floor plan. Not enough lighting. Insufficient lighting creates an unwelcoming atmosphere, making rooms feel dim or overly harsh. Layer your lighting with ambient, task, and accent lights to create a well-lit and inviting space. Incorporate dimmers to adjust the lighting according to the time of day and the activity. We're halfway through our design tips, and there's still plenty more to come. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert advice on transforming your home. Trust us, you won't want to miss the final tips that could completely change your space. Neglecting vertical space results in an incomplete look, failing to utilize walls and ceilings effectively. To fix this, add height with tall furniture, artwork, and lighting to create dimension and interest. Use vertical shelving or hanging plants to draw the eye upward and make the room feel more expansive. Forgetting about traffic flow. Poor traffic flow makes a room feel crowded and difficult to navigate. Ensure clear walkways and a natural layout to allow for easy movement. Arrange furniture to facilitate smooth transitions between areas and keep pathways unobstructed. No focal point. A room without a focal point feels unorganized and lacks a place for the eyes to rest. Create a central focus or feature zones to enhance visual interest and structure. Use statement pieces like a bold artwork, a striking piece of furniture, or an accent wall to draw attention. Opting for ill-sized furniture. Incorrectly sized furniture can make a room look cluttered or empty, disrupting the balance of the space. Scale your furniture to fit the room, balancing low-profile pieces with larger items and ensuring adequate spacing between them. Consider multifunctional furniture to maximize space without overcrowding. Incorrectly sized curtains can ruin a room's look, making windows appear smaller and less elegant. Hang curtains higher and wider than the window frame to make the room seem taller and more spacious. Choose floor-length curtains to enhance the elegance and cohesion of the room. Do you want to avoid these common interior design mistakes and achieve a beautifully balanced home? Take our fun style quiz to find out which aesthetic suits you best. Click the link in the description to get started, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert advice and creative solutions to transform your space.